Hello. Today I will tell you how to quickly and easily tie up tomatoes, cucumbers and other plants. And I'll tell you how to do it better and more reliably. And such a garter easily withstands a large crop. And these garters can rightfully be called eternal, since they have been in my greenhouse for the 4th year and absolutely nothing happened to them. See how easy it is to tie them up. When the tomato stalk is 20 inches from the ground, we twist the wire at the bottom and make a few turns around the stalk in a clockwise direction. Then, as we grow, we continue to twist the wire around the stem. Since the top of the wire I have is screwed to the roof of the greenhouse. And in this way it is very convenient to grow tomatoes in 2 stalks, thus the yield is increased by 2 times. I have already talked about this in previous videos. And how is the wire fixed on top? This wire is stronger and more durable than any rope. Because the ropes are only enough for 1 season. And often the rope garter does not withstand the crop, it comes off and the whole crop is broken. And this wire looks like this, and it consists of a wire with a diameter of about 1 millimeter, which is covered with light-resistant plastic. Therefore, the wire does not rust and does not heat up in the sun. It is designed for screwing mesh fences. And as you understand, you can find and buy such a wire in hardware stores or building departments in a supermarket where the mesh is sold. It is 100 yards long. This setting varies by manufacturer. It is not expensive, given that you buy it once and use it every year, for the rest of your life. Here, in confirmation of my words, is the harvest of past years that this garter easily withstands. As you can see, the tomato grows normally, and another plus of such a garter instead of a rope is that this wire does not cut the stem under the weight of the crop, as the rope does. So if you grow tomatoes and cucumbers every year, then buy this wire, cut it once to your size and use it all your life. Unlike ropes, which are sometimes not enough even for a year. To whom the information was useful, be sure to like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.